In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to swap icons in Figma. We'll set up your icons as components, create an instant swap property, and then try it out so you can switch between icons in just a click. This is perfect for design systems, wireframes, or any project where consistency and speed matter. First, bring the icons you want to work with into your Figma project and place them on the canvas. It helps to keep them in a consistent size, like 24 by 24 or 16 by 16, and align them to the same pixel grid so they swap cleanly later. Make sure each icon is clearly separated so you can select them individually. Next, select the icons you want to set up. You can drag a marquee around them or shift-click to pick specific ones. With those icons selected, click Create Multiple Components. Figma will convert each selected icon into its own component, which you'll recognize by the purple diamond indicator. Components are the reusable masters, while instances are the copies you'll use across your designs. Now, with your new component selected, look in the right-hand sidebar under Properties and click the plus sign. Choose Instant Swap. This tells Figma you want a property that can switch between component instances. You'll see a dialog to define which icons belong to this swap set. Click the plus sign to add your preferred instances. Then select all the icons you want to include in your swap list. Pick the ones you're likely to use interchangeably. Think outline and filled versions or different states of the same symbol. When you're done selecting, click Create Property. Give the property a clear name like icon or symbol so it's easy to find later. From now on, this property will live with the component and make swapping fast and predictable. Time to test it. Paste one of your icon components or instances somewhere on the canvas or into a frame in your design. With that icon selected, look to the upper right in the sidebar and open the drop-down with the icon's name. You'll see the list of icons you added to the swap property. Click another icon from that list and watch it update instantly in place, keeping size, position, and constraints intact. That's it. You've set up a flexible icon system using components and an instant swap property, so you can iterate quickly and keep your work consistent. Congratulations.